How to fix and solve a FoodPanda app login problem. If you are facing problem with the FoodPanda app login, then you need to follow these steps. Firstly, check for updates that may be available for the FoodPanda app. Open Play Store or App Store on your device and search for the FoodPanda application. If you see any option for update, then click on it to update your app. If there is no updates available, then that means that your app has been already updated. Now go back to your home page and open Settings. In Settings, go to Wi-Fi. Here, make sure that you have a good internet connection. If your network connection is lagging, then remove your current network and re-add the same network or a different one. Now go back to your previous page and select the option General. Inside General, go to iPhone Storage. Inside iPhone Storage, search for the app FoodPanda. Now click on the FoodPanda app. Select the option of Load app. After you do this step, then go back to your home page and restart your device. Give your device a quick restart and your problem should be fixed. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.